Good morning, everybody. If you want to know how to really do some really good tasting meats, you really should add some booze. What I like to call liquor. Well, everyone would want to call it. It's booze. Well, today we're going to smoke a ham. Now, this is a fully cooked ham, and it's a spiral sliced one, but don't let that stop you. You can infuse liquor, booze into basically any type of meats and desserts, and you can put it in gravies, and you can put it in so many things, but you gotta know how to do it. Now this little baby here is a meat needle. Yeah, it's kind of big, but you gotta have a big end on it if you're gonna be able to put it into meat, because meat is dense. So today we've got apple brandy in it and some pineapple juice. And we poke holes just any place like this. And you just push down on the plunger like that. And it goes right into the meat, period. It is that simple. Now we did some of this before, but I'm just showing you again how to just stick it anywhere. It's not complicated brain surgery. We're not doing that. This is a ham. Okay, fully cooked smoked ham, but we're going to add some extra flavor to it before we smoke it. Before you cook it, if you don't have a smoker, you put it in the oven. This you put in the oven at 325 for about an hour, hour and a half. In the smoker, you're going to do it at 225 for approximately 4 hours. This is just a simple process on how you can boost the flavors of your meats before they go in the oven or the smoker or the grill. I have these recipes in my DDK Recipe Books, and you can buy them directly from the author, John Ayano's personal chef of Diva Dish Kitchens. You can find me at divadish67@gmail.com if you want to order some books, or you can call me on my digits at 612-859-3270. But this is a great way to put extra flavor into anything that you do in your kitchen. Over and out for now. I'm going to get this baby on the smoker. See ya.